In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn your Instagram from this back into this, or vice versa. Hey, what's up guys, it's Fusion or Josh, and I make weekly educational videos on your favorite programs and games. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on or off dark mode on Instagram. If you guys have been using Instagram lately and you've noticed that it is in dark mode and you have tried to figure out how to turn it off, but you cannot find a way, I'm going to be showing you guys how to today, and it's really simple. The most simple way to turn off dark mode on iPhone is by simply going to the settings, going down to display and brightness, and selecting light mode. Then when you go back into Instagram, it will be in light mode. An easier way to do this is if you swipe down, or however to get to your control center, and you hold down on the brightness, you can just select dark mode or light mode. And now your Instagram is in dark or light mode. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, make sure to go follow me on Instagram at Fuzionhere. I'm going to be posting a lot more selfies, updates, and cool pictures on my Instagram. And on my Instagram stories, I also do polls and questions. So if you want to get more involved with me, check out my Instagram. Anyways, guys, this has been Fusion, and God bless. And guys, before you go, remember, God loves you. Go look up John 3:16 right now.